Tom Littlewood has dedicated his entire 40-plus year career to helping youth battling trauma-based mental health and addictions issues. Tom is the program director and lead therapist for the Dan's Legacy Foundation, which provides counseling to 150 youth a year across Metro Vancouver. The charity works with other community-based organizations that provide wraparound services to at-risk youth and has a 50% success rate in helping clients to stabilize in only 4 months. Tom also manages a food cooperative, ensuring that 500 at-risk youth and low-income residents receive food weekly. Most recently, Tom devised and completed a pilot program with Coast Mental Health's Culinary Skills Training Program, which helps youth with mental health barriers gain social skills, learn teamwork, and gain the capacity to set and achieve goals.
When I started seeing Tom, I was still in that really dark part. He's done a lot to help both in therapy and out, and I really appreciate that he doesn't just stop at the therapy like most people do.
As Executive Director of Native Child and Family Services of Toronto, Ken Rashard is recognized for his tireless work ethic and sheer determination as the founding member and driving force behind the creation of Canada's first urban Aboriginal child welfare agency. As an educator, Ken contributes to the capacity building within social work and with major institutions who serve families and children. Ken wrote and delivered the first curriculum in cross-cultural work at the Factor Faculty of Social Work at the University of Toronto, and authored The Other Side of the Door, a practice guide in working with Native people that is used across Ontario.
So I want to just leave this by saying that a good talk, well written, sung in harmony by government, business, and the Native community itself, is that Inuit tradition in action. It starts, I think, with a conversation, and if it goes well, ends with a connected set of relationships, singing from the same song sheet, all about the children.
Over the course of his 30-year career at Covenant House Toronto and Children's Aid Society of Toronto, Bruce Rivers has worked tirelessly in support of the child welfare sector in the fight against injustice, violence, and abuse experienced by children and youth, which has fueled his drive to identify system changes and policy changes. Currently, as Executive Director of Covenant House Toronto, Bruce leads the strategic direction of Canada's largest agency for at-risk, homeless, and trafficked youth, ensuring service delivery to about 2,500 young people annually. Bruce's influence as a leader on policy development and reform is recognized through his work with government agencies and national and international child welfare advocacy groups.
The day we opened, we saw young women, young girls coming through the door had been trafficked. We didn't call it trafficking, sex trafficking then. The laws have changed over the years in Canada, but over the last few years we've been seeing a significant increase in the number of young women that come to our attention.
What does it involve?
You know, with this issue, we've taken a step back. We've talked to the young women about what it was that would have helped them to, A, prevent the situation, but also to move forward with their lives. And we've taken that into consideration. We've created an urban response model that we believe will really help to make a difference.